Hey, this is Mateo and Cali with WTI.
And we wanted to tell you about this interactive cat toy by Jkanti. My cats are very happy with this toy. It's been great to keep them on their toes and alert. My younger cat especially loves the chirping sound it makes. It really calls her attention because she loves looking at birds. My older cat likes to just follow the toy with her eyes and watching her younger sister play, which makes me very happy to know that she's getting some free entertainment. The toy is very well made, the material is very easy to clean, and the battery lasts a long time, which gives my cats all the fun they can have for a few days. I like that the toy will go in very random directions, so if the toy gets behind the line of sight of my cat, she loves going after it, chasing it to see where it went. I am not sure who's more entertained, my cats playing with it or me watching my cats play with it.
And that is our point of view.